The Cosy Companions Hair Dryer is a sleek, black, high-performance device with a 1500-watt motor that operates at 150,000 RPM. It provides powerful airflow of 36 meters per second, drying hair in 2 to 5 minutes, which is 5 times faster than traditional dryers. Its negative ionic technology releases 500 million negative ions to balance static electricity, lock in moisture, and leave hair soft and shiny. The dryer features intelligent temperature control, measuring air temperature over 100 times per second to prevent overheating. It operates quietly at 51 decibels and has a lightweight design ideal for home or travel. It also includes a 360 degrees rotation